Hi, my name is Vicki Layden, and I will be teaching at this year's NGH Convention. The program I will be teaching is Ignite or Fizzle, and this is a roadmap to help you to create your best business. And I titled it that because I think it's really important to realize that when you start with hypnosis and when you start your practice, two things are going to happen. You're either really going to do fantastic or you're going to fizzle and not do well at all. So the Ignite or Fizzle is really, I believe, a great framework to help you to be able to figure out what you want to do with it, whether you're going to do hypnosis full time or part time, whether you're going to do it every day of the week or a few days of the week. The Igniter Fizzle really will give you lots of tools to not only start your business, everything from figuring out how to create your name, all the way down to when you start to add new modalities, if you will, or when you start to add new programs, or even when I started, several years back, if you would have asked me if I would be doing groups of 8, I would have said, yeah, that's my goal, but I don't know how I will get there. So what we're going to teach is going to give you the opportunity to really figure out what your pathway should be, because everyone has a unique pathway. So what we want to do is help you to be able to figure out your unique pathway to be as successful as you possibly can. What I love about the convention, there's people with all different backgrounds, and I love that everybody does kind of have a niche, something that they feel is really, really important, and that they kind of went with their passion. So that's what I tell people when I talk about the hypnosis convention, is that I think it's a great opportunity to really find out about other people's passions, the way that they do things. And I'm kind of a sponge, so I love to learn from other people. So for me, it's a great way to connect and have people that I can reach out to, and mentor people, or have a mentor that I've met through these conventions. So I think it's really exciting, and I love just being able to meet all of the different personalities and learn new things.